Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are reviewing YaFex. This is a personal blender, so I can't wait to get started. Let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys, show you what you get. And of course, you know me, I always have to test our products. We can't just show you it because, come on now, you want to see how it works, right? So here's, holy cow, that's a 800 ml max. So that just spins right off. It's got a nice blade there for blending. Whatever you're doing, your fruits, your vegetables, whatever you're making, you can blend that in, make smoothies, make milkshakes, all kinds of different things with this. So they definitely package this really nice. Here's the blender itself. They also supply you with a nice little manual in here as well. And here is, oh, that's pretty awesome. So not only is this a blender container, but it actually works as a lid. So this would make good for protein shakes and other things related. So this lid has a spot where you can drink from. So you just place it down. That's pretty awesome. Man, that is really cool. I like that. So the lid would just simply, once you're done blending, so you'd have it upside down, blending everything. Turn it around. Place your lid just directly on here. Let's see if I can do it right. Me and lids don't work well together. I never line the lids up right. Unless it is, and I just got to turn it. So, just like that. Lid's on. That's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and look at the machine itself. Make sure we're not missing anything in here. I don't believe so. Wow, that is a heavy duty blender, my friends. So let's see here. 700 watts. Yeah, that's heavy duty. That's not gonna be stopped by frozen strawberries, that's for sure. So yeah, it is very simple. Place on the blade. Twist it on the whole way. Line it up in here. You twist it for on position, twist it to take it off. Okay, now what you guys been waiting for. No more talking, let's start testing. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see what kind of power this thing makes. Woo! Alright, let's blend up some strawberries for our smoothie that we're gonna make later on. Let's see how well it blends. So I like putting my equipment to the test, and frozen strawberries are a really good test for blenders to see how well it actually performs. So this is what I mean, because they're frozen, it just creates like this barrier. But this is gonna work. Oh, wait a second, this almost made us like a custard. Delicious. Add some ice cream in here and we're good to go. Wow. So this actually works really well. It's just thaw out your fruits when you do it. You know, 99% people do. I only do frozen fruits. Frozen strawberries to test a blender, but as you guys saw, it actually chopped it up pretty fine. Overall, I'm extremely impressed. We're going to continue to blend what's left. We're going to scoop this out, blend the rest, but this works great. Now I will admit, most blenders don't handle frozen strawberries that good. It kind of clunks it up and doesn't really spin, but this one, absolutely no issue, and it's easy to clean too. Overall, I'm super happy.